Are you looking for a smart way to invest, but don't know where to start? Welcome to Interactive Advisors, a platform designed to help beginners and experienced investors alike navigate the world of managed portfolios. In this honest review, I will guide you through everything you need to know about Interactive Advisors, its pros and cons, services, and the overall cost of using this platform. First, let's look at the biggest selling point of Interactive Advisors, its unique copy trading system. If you're unfamiliar with copy trading, this is a feature that lets you automatically replicate the trades of top-performing investors, making it ideal for those who may not have the time or expertise to manage their own investments. All you need to do is select a portfolio, set your investment amount, and let the platform do the rest. Another advantage is the low-cost structure. Unlike many other brokerage platforms that charge hefty fees, Interactive Advisors offers transparent and affordable fees, making it accessible to a wide range of investors. It's also backed by strong regulatory compliance, giving you peace of mind when investing your hard-earned money. However, no platform is without its drawbacks. One of the limitations of Interactive Advisors is that it offers fewer portfolio options compared to other platforms. For those seeking a wider array of investment choices or more aggressive trading strategies, this may feel a bit restrictive. Before I continue with more details about the platform, let me ask you something. Are you tired of the ups and downs of trading and constantly analyzing market trends? PrimeXPT offers a seamless solution. Copy the trades of experienced, successful traders and replicate their strategies automatically. With PrimeXPT, you can step up your trading game without all the hassle. Just register, make a deposit, and start copying winning trades today. Back to Interactive Advisors. A major benefit is its educational resources, designed to help beginners get started. They offer detailed guides on each portfolio, so you can make informed decisions about where to allocate your investments. The platform also integrates with major financial apps, making it easier to manage your entire financial life in one place. In terms of customer service, Interactive Advisors is well known for offering excellent support. Whether you're a novice investor needing help getting started or an experienced trader with technical questions, their team is ready to assist. In summary, Interactive Advisors stands out for its simplicity, low costs, and robust copy trading feature, making it a solid option for both beginner and seasoned investors looking for hands-off portfolio management. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up.